No.
What does it take to offer 2-hour appointment windows? It takes a dispatch unit acting more like ground traffic control.
Your hiccup's all gone?
It takes innovative technologies.
Hi.
It takes automatic schedule updates and real-time mapping. It takes commitment to being on time
Hmm.
in less time than ever. 2-hour appointment windows, part of the Comcast customer guarantee.
I heard President Bush. President Bush has done some great things. I don't know if you're